Hello everyone, welcome to our mathematics lesson. My name Ikhlas Ayon Saryono. You can call me Ion. In this video, we will learn about ration in scale. Topic and closely relates to calling the distance, size, and comparison in everyday life. Let's study them together step in a clear and easy to understand why. In the ration comparison, what is mean by ration? In the next material discussion today, ration from of ration direct proportion, inverse proportion, and the scale. In the ration, in mathematics, a ration is a way of comparing two or more folds of the same kit using a simple method. For example, if we want to compare two folds of a with B, we can express it in mathematical from a follow A to B or A over B. Example, if there are apples and example, if there are two apples and four orange, the ration of apples to orange is 2 to 4 or 2 over 4, which can be simple to 1 to 2. In the next form of ration, in the column from A to B, fraction from A over B, word from A to B. Example, the ration of 3 pencil to 6 pens can be written as 3 to 6 or 3 over 6. 3 to 6 symbol fit 1 to 2. In the next, direct proportion. Direct proportion is a relationship between two quantities where if one quantity interests the others quantity also increases and vice versa. The ratio between the two quantities remain constant. If a fold of greater, the fold of B is also greater. The smaller the fold of B, the fold of A is also smaller. A and B interest. In the formula, di formula dijelaskan tentang grafik perbandingan senilai, yaitu ke atas adalah bertambah dan ke samping adalah bertambah, di tengah-tengahnya adalah garis antara A dan B. Untuk rumus bisa dilihat untuk A sama dengan P, B sama dengan Q, dan A per B sama dengan P per Q. Metode sekali silang di mana A ke P atau B ke Q bisa disilangkan, antara A disilangkan ke Q dan B disilangkan ke P. A dikali Q sama dengan B dikali P. In the next example problem, direct proportion studying with two pencil for a 4,000. How much does they have to buy for 5 pencil? In the solution, this is a direct proportion problem because the more pencil bought, the higher the total price. We ask the direct proportion formula I1 over B1 equals A2 over B2. And the I1 equals 2 pencil and the B1 equals 4,000 rupiah and the I2 equals 5 pencil. The next B2, the price we are looking for, let's call it X. Substitution the false 2 over 4,000 equals 5 over X. We can cross multiply. 2 multiply equals 20,000 and the X equals 10,000. So the student has to pay for 10,000 rupiah for a 5 pencil. In the next, inverse proportion. Inverse proportion is a relationship between two quantities where if one quantity increases, the other quantity decreases, and vice versa. The product of the two quantities remains constant. The greater the fall of A, the smaller of the fall of B, and the greater the fall of the B. The smaller of the fall of A and B are inversely proportional. In the next, formula atau rumus untuk ke atas atau B adalah berkurang dan ke samping atau A adalah bertambah, dan bisa dilihat untuk grafik daripada A ke B adalah seperti itu, yaitu dengan sudut 90 derajat antara A dan B. Untuk rumusnya, A sama dengan P, B sama dengan Q, A per B sama dengan P per Q, and the metode kali lurus sama dengan A sama dengan P dan B sama dengan Q, atau A dikali P sama dengan B dikali Q. Alright, in the next example problem, in the inverse proportion problem, a house construction project can be completed by 12 works in the 13 days. If the owner went to the project to be complete in the 20, how many additional work the needed? Solution: this is an inverse proportion problem because the less time available, the more works are needed. We can use the inverse proportion formula. I1 multiply B1 equals I2 multiply B2, and the I1 equals 12 works, and the B1 equals 13 days. And the next, I2 equals the numbers of work needed, let's call it Y. B2 equals 20 days, and the 12 multiply the 13 and the equals Y multiply the 20. 360 equals 20 Y. Y 360 multiply 20 and Y equals 810. The total numbers of work needed is the 810. However, The question asks for the additional works. And the next, additional works equals new number of works original number of the works. Additional works equals in the octane means 12 equals 6. So 6 additional works are needed to complete the project in the 20 days. And the next of scale. Scale is the ratio between a measurement of a drawing, map or blueprint, and the actual measurement is commonly used the preparation rate on the objects on a smaller surface. In the formula, scale, measurement on the map multiply actual measurement. Example problem, scale. This is a problem. The distance between two plates on a map is 3 cm. If the map scale is 1 to 500, what is the actual distance in the meter? The solution, scale is the 1 to 500 mean is the 1 centimeter on the map represent 500 centimeter in the real life. Actual distance equals distance on the maps multiply scale. Actual distance equals 3 multiply the 500 and the equals 1500. And the convert to meters, 1500 centimeter equals the 510 meter. So the actual distance between the two places is 510 meters. Thank you. See you the next time.